Hey everyone, welcome to Candy Claw's nail videos. I will be unboxing the Beetles nail powder. Now I'm so excited. They went ahead and sent this to me and I can't wait to see what it looks like. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting these for so long. Thank you again, Beetles. Now, I know these colors look really good online, so let's see what they look like in person. Ooh, oh my gosh. I can already tell through the bubble wrap that they are amazing. Like, just look at it. I haven't even took the bubble wrap off and you can see just how iridescent they are. And it looks like they have some instructions. I will definitely be following this so that way we apply them correctly. Now let's go ahead and take this bubble wrap off to see what these colors look like. It looks like they also have included a brush to, according to the directions, wipe off the excess powder. So thank you so much. Oh my god, look at these colors. Just how shiny and iridescent they are. I can only imagine what they're gonna look like on the nails. I'm just gonna sit here and shine them in the light for you. Just look at that. I cannot wait to use this iridescent white purpley color. And then this chrome, the gold, the pink. But I will be doing a nail set tonight, so keep and stay tuned.